One of the vehicles in this video costs $10 million. Another one, you build in your garage with your own hands for $200,000. And one of them removes the human pilot completely. You sit down, press a button, and a computer flies you safely across the city. In our last video, we covered beginner aircraft you can fly with zero pilot training. I will link that video at the very end of this one, so stick around. But today, we are answering a completely different question. What happens when you want more than a beginner machine? We are examining 10 heavily engineered, verified flying cars and passenger drones hitting the skies right now in 2026. Some require a pilot's license. Some are road-legal gyroplanes. One is an ultra-luxury electric jet. We are skipping the CGI renders and looking exclusively at machines executing real test flights and passing strict civil aviation reviews. Let us start with the ultimate do-it-yourself project. A machine that hands you a $200,000 kit and tells you to finish the job yourself. The single biggest friction point for aircraft ownership is hangar fees. The Samson Sky Switchblade solves this by operating as a three-wheeled hybrid autocycle on the ground. You drive it to a local airstrip at speeds over 100 miles per hour. When you arrive, the wings swing outward, the tail extends backward, and you are cleared for takeoff. In the air, the Switchblade hits a cruise speed of 160 miles per hour. The base kit costs $200,000. Because it falls under the experimental category, federal law dictates that the owner must build at least 51% of the vehicle. If that sounds intimidating, do not worry. Samson Sky provides an automated builder assist center to help you complete assembly in roughly 1 week, leaving you with a custom aircraft built entirely by your own hands. Honestly, if you have the patience to build modular furniture, building your own flying car with automated factory robots sounds like the ultimate weekend project. Building your own aircraft solves the price problem. But what if you want a vehicle that is legally certified to drive on crowded European highways? Electric batteries are incredibly heavy, so the Dutch-engineered PAL-WE Liberty uses internal combustion to operate as a highly refined gyroplane. A gyroplane uses an unpowered top rotor that spins freely in the wind to naturally generate lift. The Liberty packs a dual-engine system producing 200 horsepower in flight mode, boasting a maximum flight range of 310 miles. Most importantly, it recently passed stringent European road admission tests, meaning it is now officially allowed on the streets with a standard license plate. The Pioneer Edition starts around 500,000 euros. Imagine pulling up to a red light in a vehicle that can literally fly over the traffic jam ahead of you. Sports cars are inherently limited by interior space. If you need to transport 4 people, the ASKA A5 provides the footprint of a standard sport utility vehicle. Priced at $789,000, the A5 is a hybrid vertical takeoff and landing vehicle. It features 6 independent motor systems mounted on large aerodynamic wings. The hybrid propulsion system pairs electric batteries with a gas-powered range extender, delivering a very practical 250-mile flight range. It is fully street legal and can recharge at any standard EV charging station. ASKA currently holds a special airworthiness certificate for testing and plans to launch an affordable on-demand ride-sharing service in major cities, giving families a real high-speed alternative to the agonizing morning school run. Some buyers want a practical commuter, while others want a high-performance sports car that casually defies gravity. The Klein Vision AirCar belongs exclusively to the latter category. On the road, it looks like an aggressive European hypercar featuring 4 wheels and a massive rear spoiler. But press a single button and the vehicle physically elongates. The entire tail section slides backward to create aerodynamic stability, while a 27-foot wingspan unfolds from hidden side compartments. The latest production prototypes are powered by an engine generating over 300 horsepower, pushing the vehicle to aerial speeds of 155 miles per hour. With deliveries having begun earlier this year, and a price tag hovering around $1 million, it is the closest piece of engineering we have to a real-world spy vehicle. Safety concerns in urban environments often center around exposed propeller blades. The Leo Coupe solves this by completely hiding its propulsion system. This 3-seater aircraft relies on independent electric ducted fans embedded directly into its wings to generate lift. This enclosed design makes it incredibly safe, and its compact footprint allows it to fit perfectly inside a standard 2-car garage without needing to fold or detach any components. Performance targets are aggressive, pushing a top speed of 250 miles per hour with a maximum range of 300 miles. Pricing is projected at $459,900. The manufacturer plans to sell it as a partially built kit to meet experimental guidelines, which will require a standard private pilot's license to operate. Motorcycles offer a specific kind of freedom on the ground, but taking that concept into the air requires massive thrust. The XTURISMO Hoverbike delivers exactly that, looking like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Built by a Japanese aerospace firm, this vehicle utilizes a petrol-electric hybrid system anchored by a powerful Kawasaki combustion engine. The engine powers 2 primary rotors for lift, while 4 smaller electric fans maintain absolute stability. It weighs 660 pounds and achieves flight speeds near 60 miles per hour for up to 40 minutes. This is a premium, limited edition machine. The purchase price is a staggering $777,000. Deliveries have already rolled out for the initial production run, making it one of the few true hoverbikes you can actually buy immediately. Most vertical takeoff vehicles rely entirely on heavy battery packs, which severely limits flight duration. The Zapata Airscooter uses a hybrid powertrain to keep you in the air much longer. By combining electric motors with sustainable liquid fuel, this egg-shaped personal aircraft targets a flight time of up to 2 uninterrupted hours. Because it weighs strictly under 254 pounds, it qualifies under the Federal Aviation Administration's Part 103 rules as an ultralight. That classification means you do not need a pilot's license to fly it in the United States. Pricing starts around $128,000, though fully equipped models reach $250,000. If you want to test the physics before buying, the company has even opened a dedicated flight center in Las Vegas for public training. Dual-mode vehicles require heavy compromises between road safety and flight weight. These final 3 aircraft abandon the road entirely, focusing purely on dominating the sky. Federal Aviation Administration rules are incredibly strict, unless your aircraft weighs less than 254 pounds. The lift Hexa fits perfectly inside that legal parameter. Built entirely from carbon fiber, this single-seat aircraft uses specific amphibious weight allowances to stay legal as a Part 103 ultralight. This means you do not need a pilot's license to fly it. Instead of one massive helicopter rotor, it uses 18 independent electric motors for ultimate redundancy. You can buy a Founders Series Hexa for $495,000, or you can rent one via a pay-per-flight model for roughly $250, bypassing flight school entirely for an afternoon of pure adrenaline. Every vehicle mentioned so far requires a human pilot. The EHang EH216-S removes the human from the equation entirely. Manufactured in China, this is a fully autonomous, pilotless passenger drone. You sit in the cabin, select your destination on a screen, and the centralized command and control system handles the entire flight profile. It secured a historic type certificate from the Civil Aviation Administration of China, proving the safety of its uncrewed systems. The aircraft is strictly an urban air taxi designed to jump across harbors or bypass severe city gridlock. EHang aggressively priced the vehicle at $410,000 for global markets, taking the ultimate leap of faith in artificial intelligence. We end with the absolute pinnacle of private electric aviation. The Lilium jet discards open spinning rotors entirely, relying instead on 36 electric vectored thrust-ducted fans embedded directly into the wings. During takeoff, the flaps tilt downward, pushing the jet vertically. Once in the air, the flaps align flush with the wings, allowing the aircraft to slice through the air with the aerodynamic efficiency of a traditional airplane. The company is releasing a strictly limited Pioneer Edition for private buyers. Priced at a staggering $10 million, this version features a massive cabin that seats passengers in absolute luxury. With deliveries actively rolling out later this year, it formally marks the arrival of the zero-emission private jet era. 10 machines. 10 radically different approaches to personal aviation. The choice ultimately depends on exactly how you want to fly. Do you want the uncertified freedom of the lift Hexa, the road-legal flexibility of the Palwi Liberty, or the ultra-premium luxury of the Lilium jet? Drop your pick in the comments below. If you want to see the personal aircraft you can fly right now without spending years in flight school, click the video on your screen right now. Subscribe for continuous technical analysis of advanced transportation, and we will see you in the next breakdown.